is an aircraft without a human pilot on board, yet drone flights are controlled by remote human operators. Drones function through an accumulation of technologies, including computer visions, sensors, and object avoidance technology. Today, we are going to review the Dji Mavic 2 Pro. The Dji Mavic 2 Pro is an easy-to-use prosumer drone offering excellent stills and video capabilities. It was launched in the late 2018 and was the first consumer drone to feature a 1-inch sensor and adjustable aperture.
Maganda po ito sa broadcast footages, sa weddings, sa travel, sa real estate, tsaka yung mapping and surveying sa mga engineering, mga contractors. Marami pa po. Marami pa kayong mapaggagamitan nito. Mataas po yung ISO range nito, kaya maganda rin sa nighttime photography. Maganda po lalo sa daytime, syempre dahil malawak po yung color profile nito, kaya masarap sa mata yung images niya.
The Dji Mavic 2 Pro commands a powerful 1-inch sensor, offering you a greater image quality with superior light and color performance. The Mavic 2 Pro utilizes a low-drag aerodynamic body design for achieving speeds up to 47.7 miles per hour, a 4-cell LiPo battery for up to 31 minutes of flight time, and low-noise propellers for filming without being distracting. This power and performance are coupled with a variety of dynamic shooting modes and other capabilities that help you achieve cinematic results. It is equipped with active track, which helps you identify and track a moving object or subject. This is great if you're filming a person in motion. Small, foldable, compact design and easy to transport around. You can easily take this drone pretty much anywhere and anytime you want. The camera is equipped with a 35mm sensor and an aperture ranging from f2.8 to f11. It uses the Augusting 2.0 system to provide live feedback for a 5-mile radius. It has 8GB of built-in storage space. The Mavic 2 Pro is great for any photographer or videographer who wants a drone in a toolkit. It can capture some great landscape photos or cinematic videos with its incredible camera. This drone has a multitude of obstacle avoidance sensors. It can technically sense obstacles in all 6 directions to easily move around and avoid crash during flight. Mavic 2 Pro shoots in 4K, 2.7K, and 1080p in RAW, making it perfect for most videography assignments. It also shoots amazing still pictures with a 20-megapixel resolution. The camera provides fantastic video footage, and its 10-bit D-Log-M system provides fantastic color grading to the footage. You can also film in a 10-bit HDR for more realistic-looking footage, fresh for the post-production. The controller has classic movement sticks and a few quick-access buttons to make it more efficient. It has a comfortable joystick attachment and a smartphone holder at the bottom. As with any DJI drone, you can download the DJI Go app on your smartphone and connect it to your drone. You can use the app to adjust the settings on the drone, control the camera, and view a live feed of the camera. It has a built-in GPS that helps stabilize the drone in the air, counteracting the wind. It also warns you on your display, visually and audibly.
Siguraduhin din na full charge ang battery bago gamitin. Kasi kapag nag-warning na yung battery mo, tapos in-override mo pa siya, kaya yung mga warnings po, wag nating babaliwalain. Mas maganda rin po na mag-download po tayo ng app na UAV forecast. Dahil sa app na yon, malalaman mo po kung nasaan kang location, kung safe ba na magpalipad. Dahil malalaman mo doon yung lakas ng hangin, yung kung uulan or hindi. May forecast din po kasi yun yung visibility, etc. So after magpalipad, maghintay muna ng 30 minutes to 1 hour bago i-charge ang battery. Kasi kung hindi mo gagawa nito, mainit pa, i-charge mo na agad, lolobo po yung battery at lalong iigsi ang buhay nito. So wag na wag po tayo mag-charge habang mainit ang battery.
The Dji Mavic 2 Pro is a dream to fly, one of the best drones out there, whether you are a professional or a beginner drone pilot.